What happens if you never clean your phone? Day 1. Invisible oils and bacteria begin stacking on the screen. Every touch quietly transfers germs back to your skin. Week 1. Your fingers carry microbes to your face. Breakouts appear, irritation spreads, and itching becomes constant. Month 1. Bacteria multiply faster than you notice. Your phone becomes warmer, dirt blocks ports, and germs reach your mouth during calls. Month 6. Pathogens build into a living layer. Minor infections start repeating, and your immune system fights battles you can't see. Year 1. Your most used object turns toxic. One deep exposure pushes harmful bacteria into your body, and a simple habit ends with a serious infection you never saw